How to play games on the Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can play the games in the Snapchat. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to update your Snapchat. For that you have to go in the App Store or the Play Store that you are using, and you have to go on the Snapchat and open it. Now once you are in here you have to update your Snapchat. So once you update your Snapchat, you just have to go back and open up your Snapchat application. Now once you are in here, you have to go on the chat section and select the friend from which you want to play as a game. Now once you are in here, in the tools there is the option of the sticker icon. You have to click on it. Now in some cases there is the option to play the games, but in some cases there is also no option is available. So for that what you have to do is, if it is not available, you just have to go back and click on your profile that is in the top left corner, and you have to go on the settings. So now once you are in the settings, you just have to scroll down, and here is the option of the support. In the I need help, you have to click on it. So now once you are in, here is the option of the what can we help you with, and here you have to search for the games. Now you have to go on the games on the Snapchat. What you have to do is simply click on it, and as you can see that here is the note that is saying that games are no longer available. So that means you are not able to play the games in your Snapchat, because Snapchat doesn't give you any option to play games in your Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.